In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Squarespace domain to Shopify. To begin, open Shopify and log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you manage your store settings, products, and domain connections. Once you are inside the admin area, look to the lower left side of the screen and click on Settings. This section contains the main configuration options for your store, including billing, shipping, and domains. After opening Settings, click on Domains. The Domains page is where Shopify lets you manage any web address connected to your store. If you already have a domain from another provider and want to use it with Shopify, this is the correct place to set that up. It is also where you can view your current primary domain and begin connecting a new one. Next, click on Connect Existing Domain. This option is for domains that were purchased somewhere other than Shopify. Once you select it, Shopify will ask you to enter the domain name that you want to connect. Type in your domain carefully to avoid any spelling errors, since even a small mistake can prevent the connection from working properly. After entering the domain, click Next. Shopify will then attempt to detect whether the domain can be connected automatically or whether it needs a manual setup. In this case, choose Connect Manually. This option gives you the instructions needed to finish linking the domain when the automatic method is not available. At this point, Shopify will usually provide the DNS records you need to update with your domain provider. These records tell your domain where your Shopify store is hosted. Make sure you keep this page open so you can refer to the exact values shown there. Accuracy matters here because incorrect DNS entries can delay the connection or cause the domain not to load properly. Take your time as you go through these screens. The process inside Shopify is simple, but it is important to enter the domain correctly and select the right connection method. Once you reach the manual connection instructions, you are in the right place to continue the setup with your domain provider. That covers everything you need to know.